Reflective safety clothing is a kind of reflective safety clothing that can reduce traffic accidents at night. It is the safety clothing used for night road and road operations which placed the reflective film on the surface of clothing. In the case of no interference at night, the effective distance of reflected light is 500 meters. The manufacture of safety clothing is simple, and it is easy to replace the film, which is an ideal night safety protective clothing. Reflective safety clothing is suitable for a wide range of people: road traffic police, night police, sanitation workers, construction workers, the elderly and children, cyclists, hikers, etc. are all suitable for wearing reflective safety clothing. Reflective safety clothing is made of reflective materials with high visibility, which enables people to work and travel smoothly in special conditions such as low light or night, thus reducing unnecessary casualties. The emergence of reflective materials successfully solved the problem of seeing and being seen at night.